Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Dive. Today we're taking a closer look at two of Apple's hottest earbuds for 2025, the highly anticipated AirPods Pro 3 and the affordable Beats Solo Buds. The question is, which one should you actually buy this year? Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk design. The AirPods Pro 3 are expected to keep their classic stem design but with a more compact case and possibly new colors. On the other hand, the Beats Solo Buds take a completely different approach. They're stemless, tiny, and slip right into your pocket with a super slim charging case. If portability matters to you, the Solo Buds are already a win. Now, sound quality. AirPods Pro 3 are rumored to bring upgraded drivers, improved bass response, and Apple's latest H2 chip for even better noise cancellation and spatial audio. These are going to be the premium choice for anyone who values top-notch audio. Meanwhile, the Beats Solo Buds are tuned for punchy bass and a fun listening experience. They don't have noise cancellation, but they deliver solid sound for their price. Speaking of price, this is where things get interesting. AirPods Pro 3 are expected to land around $249, while the Beats Solo Buds cost just $79. That's a huge difference. For budget-conscious buyers in 2025, the Beats Solo Buds are looking very attractive, especially if you're already in the Apple ecosystem. Battery life is another big factor. The AirPods Pro 3 are rumored to get slightly better endurance than the Pro 2, with up to 7 hours of listening time plus 30 hours with the case. The Beats Solo Buds are smaller, but surprisingly, they deliver around 18 hours total. Not as strong as AirPods, but still decent for the price point. Let's not forget features. AirPods Pro 3 are expected to come with adaptive audio, conversation awareness, lossless audio over Apple Vision Pro, and Find My integration. The Beats Solo Buds strip things down, focusing on simplicity. No ANC, no spatial audio, but seamless Apple pairing and a very low price tag. So, which one should you buy in 2025? If you're after premium audio, industry-leading noise cancellation, and advanced Apple features, the AirPods Pro 3 are the obvious choice. But if you want something ultra-portable, affordable, and good enough for everyday listening, the Beats Solo Buds might be the smarter purchase. At the end of the day, it really comes down to your budget and priorities. Do you want the best of Apple tech in your ears, or do you want something cheap and convenient that still works well? Let me know in the comments. Are you Team AirPods Pro 3, or are you going with the Solo Buds? I'll be reading all your thoughts. And if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more honest tech comparisons right here on Digital Dive. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.